Hello everyone, welcome back. Science Olympiad test paper, class 5, year 2017, set A. Kids, I have already made explanation video of each chapter. You can watch them also. Let's start our test paper. Question number 1. There is a certain relationship between figure 1 and 2. Establish a similar relationship between figures 2, 3 and 4 by selecting a suitable figure from the given options which will replace the question mark in figure 4. This is figure 1 and this is figure 2. This is figure 3 and figure 4. We have to find figure 4. The figure 1 and figure 2 are mirror image of each other. So the figure 4 will be the mirror image of figure 3. So the right answer is option B. Question number 2. Find the value of P, Q, R and S respectively. These shapes are given F and Y. For P and Q, R and S, 1 by 4 turn of F is P and 1 by 4 turn of Y is Q. 1 by 8 turn clockwise for Y is S and 1 by 8 turn clockwise for Y is S. So for P is, if we rotate F 1 by 4 turn anti-clockwise, then we get P and it is 1 by 4 of anti-clockwise. If we rotate F, it will become like this. This is 1 by 4 clockwise anti-clockwise turn. So our answer is option D because only this in this option F is like this. We can check others also. For Q, Y is turned 1 by 4. That is same. It will be Y. And for R, 1 by 8 turn of F. This is clockwise. And 1 by 4 F is like this. So our answer is option D. Question number 3. Some letters are given which are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Arrange the letters to form a meaningful word and select the correct option. Here O, H, U, T, C are given with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we make a meaningful word from these letters, we can get touch. And here T is number 4. So our option 3, C and D can be our answer because here it starts with 4. For O we get 1. So our answer is option D. Question number 4. Count the number of cubes in the given figure. Option A 21, B 24, C 20, D none of these. Here if we count we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 only. So answer is option D. Question number 5. Find the correct water image of figure X. This is figure X and if we want to find the water image of this figure, we have to turn it upside down. And the right answer is option A. Question number 6. If in a certain code language RESULT is coded as TLURES, then how will REPEAT be coded in the same language? If we look at the question carefully, we can see that the first letters are written as here last, and last three letters are written here but in opposite direction. So for repeat we can write it as TAE and REP. That is, our answer is option B. Question number 7. Who is standing to the northeast of Puneet? Here is Puneet. If we see the compass rose, we can see that the direction of northeast is here. So Vineet is standing to the northeast of Puneet. Answer is option B. Question number 8. Which of the following options will replace the question mark to complete the pattern in figure X? This is figure X, and answer is option C. Question number 9. Read the given information carefully and answer the question that follows. Statement 1. Sarthak and Payal are good in swimming. Payal and Sachin are good in dancing. Sachin and Sarthak are good in playing guitar. Chavi and Payal are good in singing. Who among the following is good in playing guitar and dancing? Here in statement 1, Payal and Sachin are good in dancing, and Sachin and Sarthak are good in playing guitar. In these two statements, Sachin is common, so our answer is Sachin. He is good in both playing guitar and dancing. Question number 11. Manisha categorized living organisms on the basis of body covering. She made 4 groups of 3 organisms each. By mistake, she placed one member in each group. Identify the wrong member of each group and select the correct option. In group 1, gecko, python and capybara. Group 2, mussel, parakeet, oyster. Group 3, dove, sparrow, hippopotamus. Group 4, hedgehog, porcupine, tortoise. Answers are option A. Capybara of group 1 should be interchanged with oyster of group 2. B. Mussel of group 2 should be interchanged with porcupine of group 4. Option C. Hippopotamus of group 3 should be interchanged with hedgehog of group 4. Option D. Parakeet of group 2 should be replaced with clam. And the right answer is option D. Parakeet of group 2 should be replaced with clam. Question number 12. Refer to the given flowchart. Fibers, natural and man-made. Natural fiber obtained from plant X, obtained from animal Y, and man-made is Z. Select the option which correctly identifies X, Y, and Z. In option A, X is cotton and silk. Silk is not a fiber obtained from plant, so option A is incorrect. For option B, X is cotton and linen. Both are obtained from plants. Y is wool and silk. Y obtained from animals, and both are obtained from animals is correct. Z, polyester and nylon. Both are man-made. So answer is option B. No need to check further. Question number 13. Study the given relationships carefully and select the option which correctly identifies P2S. 1. Pistia hydrilla wolfia P. 2. Pigeon, ostrich, sparrow Q. Chickenpox to tetanus, mumps to R. Wild beast to snake, deer to S. First, let's check for fourth. Wild beast and deer both are herbivore animals. Snake and lion, fox and bear. Three. So our answer can be B, C and D. Lion, fox and bear are carnivorous animal like snake. For statement 3, chickenpox and mumps both are viral disease while tetanus and is a bacterial disease. So bacterial is tuberculosis. Answer is option B. Let's check for uh, option 2. Pigeon and sparrow both are flying birds while ostrich and rhea are flightless birds. So answer is option B. Question number 14. Refer to the given flowchart and select the option which correctly identifies organism P to S. Animal, yes. It possesses backbone, no. P. It possesses backbone, yes. It can maintain normal body temperature, is no. Q for yes. Body is covered with feather, no. R. Body is covered with feather, yes is S. If we check for P, cockroach and crab both does not have backbone. So answer can be A, B or D. C can't be our answer because fish have backbone. For R, body is covered with feathers. No. Snake and dolphin's body is not covered with feathers. So answer can be A or B, not D, because emu have feathers. For S, body is covered with feathers and it can maintain normal body temperature. So answer is option B because crab does not have backbone. Frog cannot maintain its body temperature. Dolphin does not have feathers and parrot have feathers. So answer is option B. Question number 15. Refer to the given food components P to S and their corresponding sources. P. Drumstick, broccoli, celery. Q. Carrot, papaya, mango. R. Beans, pulses, eggs. S. Ghee, butter, nuts. Select the incorrect statement regarding them. Option A. Q keeps our eyes and skin healthy while R builds our muscles and repair the tissues. B. Among P, Q, R and S, 1 gram of R produces maximum energy. C. P adds bulk to the food and helps to remove waste material out of our body. D. Extra S gets stored under our skin and is used when the body does not get sufficient food. Let's check one by one. For option A, Q keeps our eyes and skin healthy while R builds our muscles and repair the tissue. Q is carrot, papaya and mango and they are filled with vitamins. They are plant food. So and R is beans, pulses and eggs, that is protein. So option A is correct. It's not our answer because we need to find incorrect statement. Protein builds our muscles and repair the tissues. Option B. Among P, Q, R and S, 1 gram of R produces maximum energy. R is protein. It is not energy giving food. So option B is incorrect. No need to check further. Question number 16. Pick the odd one out from each group given below and select the correct option. 1. Hematite, bituminous, bauxite, pyrite. 2. Malaria, dengue, sleeping sickness, typhoid. 3. Pliers, scissors, nutcracker, crowbar. In statement 3, crowbar is different from three machines and only in option C crowbar is given. So our answer is option C. Question number 17. Two identical cans filled with water were taken and three holes were made on each of them at two different levels, as shown in the figures. Select the correct option regarding given can X and Y. Option A. Force of the water coming out from holes of can X is lesser than force of the water coming out from holes of can Y. Option B. Jet coming from the can X travels further sideways as compared to jet from the can Y. Option C. Pressure at all the three holes in can Y is same. Option D. Both A and C. And right answer is option D. Both A and C. Question number 18. Mitu saw a bird walking and scratching the soil for worms and seeds. Which kind of foot would the bird have? And the answer is option B. Question number 19. Ruchir had to prepare a list of kharif crops. By mistake, he put sub-rabi crops also in the list. Pick out the kharif crops from the list prepared by Ruchir and select the correct option. One is radish, maize, mustard, oats, peas, rice, soybean, cotton, barley, linseed. Here, maize, oats, barley, and linseed are rabi crops. So our answer is option A. Question number 20. The given table shows solubility of three substances. The following steps were carried out to obtain Y from the mixture of substances X, Y, and Z. X is insoluble in water, Y is soluble in water, and Z is insoluble in water. First, we add some water, then do filtration, then X and Z will remove from the liquid because X and Z is not soluble in water. They will remove by filtration. Then we evaporate the water and get substance Y. So our answer is first addition of water, then filtration, and then evaporation. That is option B. Question number 21. Refer to the given representation of water cycle. Read the following statements and select the incorrect ones regarding labels X, Y, P, Q, R and S in water cycle. Statement 1. The physical states of water at X and Y are liquid and gas respectively. 2. Dew is also formed by the process Q. 3. Process P speeds up in windy condition. 4. Snow and sleet are the types of R. 5. Process S is also responsible for fogging of washroom mirror while we take hot shower. Statement 1. The physical statement of water at X and Y are liquid and gas respectively is incorrect because this is evaporation process and X is gas. Dew is also formed. Yes, this is correct. Process P speeds up in windy condition. This statement is correct. Fourth, snow and sleet are the types of R. This option is also correct. Process S is also responsible for fogging of washroom mirror while we take hot shower. This statement is incorrect because the process S is transpiration, not condensation. So answer is option C, 1 and 5 only. Question number 22. Look at the given figure. It shows lunar eclipse. Where is the Earth in it? Earth is at point B. So answer is option B. Question number 23. Study the given flowchart carefully. Material, yes. Conducts heat and electricity, yes, that is P. No. Brittle, yes. Transparent, yes, that is Q. Brittle, no. Strong, yes, that is S. Transparent, no. High melting point, yes, that is R. Select the option which correctly identifies P, Q, R and S. Conducts heat and electricity, yes, is P. Iron and ceramic both conducts heat and electricity, so P can be option ceramic and iron. So option A, B and D can be our answer. For Q, conducts heat, no. Brittle, yes. Transparent, yes, that is Q. So it can't be answer C and D because plastic and ceramic are not transparent. So our answer can be option A or B. For R, high melting point. For ceramic, its high melting point. So answer is option B. Question number 24. Refer to the given figures of types of teeth P, Q, R and S in human being. Select the correct option regarding them. Option A. S is used in tearing of food while P is used in cutting or biting of food. Option B. Q is total 8 in number while R is total 12 in number in human jaws. C. R types of teeth is absent in milk teeth and it appears in second set of teeth, that is permanent teeth. Option D. P is total 2 in numbers while S is total 4 in number. And answer is option B. Q is total 8 in number while R is total 12 in number in human jaws. Question number 25. Dash is a form of renewable energy. Option A coal, B petroleum, C wind, D none of these. And right answer is option C wind. Question number 26. Refer to the given Venn diagram, identify X, Y and Z and select the correct statement regarding them. Y has fixed mass, X has fixed shape, fixed mass and fixed volume. And Z has fixed mass and fixed volume. That means X is a solid, Z is a liquid and Y is a gas. Option A. The process of changing Y into X is called freezing. Y is a gas and changing into solid is not freezing. So option A is incorrect. Option B. The process of changing X into Y is called sublimation. X is a solid and it's changing into a gas without being a liquid is process of sublimation is correct option. So answer is option B. Question number 27. Study the given relationship. Conglomerate, quartzite, obsidian. Select the option which correctly satisfies the same correlation. Option A. Limestone, gneiss, pumice. B. Basalt, granite, slate. Option C. Marble, shale, granite. Option D. Shale, basalt, pumice. Conglomerate, quartzite and obsidian are all different types of rocks. And option A is also limestone, gneiss and pumice are different types of rocks. So answer is option A. Question number 28. Study the given flowchart carefully regarding planets and select the option which correctly identifies P, Q, R and S. Made up of rocks? No, that is P. Yes, it has two natural satellites. Yes, that is Q. Q is Mars because Mars has two natural satellites. It has two natural satellites. No, life exists here is yes, that is Earth. S is here, Earth. And life does not exist here, that is Venus. Option A, Q has ring orbits while P has no rings. This is incorrect. Q has breathable air with equal amount of carbon dioxide and oxygen. This option is incorrect because Mars does not have breathable air. S has a lot of rusted iron dust which makes it appear red. Earth is not red. So option C is incorrect. And R is also known as morning or evening star is correct. So answer is option D. Question number 29. Two identical iron blocks X and Y being pushed on two different surfaces as shown in the given figure. Here X has rough concrete surface and Y has smooth polished surface. So here is more frictional force on X and less frictional force at Y. Which of the following is correct regarding X and Y? Option A, block X requires more force than block Y to move it. Option B, block Y experiences more frictional force than block X. C, if same forces are applied to both blocks, then block X will move faster than Y. Option D, both A and B. And option A is correct because frictional force is more in X, so it requires more force to move it. Question number 30. Which of the following is a physical change? Option A, cooking of food. Option B, tearing of paper. Option C, burning of wood. Option D, germination of seed. And answer is option B, tearing of paper. Question number 31. Shikha arranged 4 magnets such that one end of each magnet was attracted to its neighboring magnet as shown in the given figure. Which of the following is another possible arrangement? Kids, we know that the opposites of a magnet can attract but cannot be attract. So our answer is option B. As here P can attract to S only, not R, and Q can attract U. Say T can attract Q and U and V are can attach to each other. So answer is option B. Question number 32. Refer to the given figure. Select the option which correctly identifies P, Q, R and S. Here Q is a full moon. So our A and D can be our answer. And R is waning crescent. So our answer is option A. Question number 33. Refer to the given graphs representing changes in population of organisms J, K and L in two tanks X and Y over a period of time. Tank X contains organism J and K, whereas tank Y contains organism K and L. In tank X, organism J is increasing and organism Y is decreasing. That means J feeds on K. And in tank Y, Organism K is increasing and organism L is decreasing. That means K feeds on L. That means J feeds on K and K feeds on M. So answer is option D. Question number 34. Read the given paragraph carefully and select the option which correctly fill the blanks 1 to 4. Earthquakes are sudden tremors caused due to the disturbances within the Earth's one due to rubbing of two against each other. 3 is used to record intensity, direction and duration of earthquakes, while 4 is used to measure the magnitude of earthquake. Let's read again. Earthquakes are sudden tremors caused due to the disturbance within the Earth's one, within the Earth's crust. One is crust, so answer can be option C or D. Due to rubbing of two tectonic plates, so C and D can be answer. Against each other, 3 is used to record intensity. We use seismograph to use intensity of a direction duration of earthquake. The instrument which scientists use to measure the intensity is seismograph. So answer is option C. And while 4 is used to measure and the magnitude of earth, Richter scale is the unit of earthquake's magnitude. So answer is option C. Question number 35. Study the given figure carefully. What will happen to the water level in the tub when some air is sucked out of the glass? Here, this is glass and air, this tub and water. Option A, water level in the tub will go down. B, water level in the tub will rise. C, bubbles will appear in the tub. D, water level in the tub will remain the same. And the right answer is option A, water level in the tub will go down. Question number 36. Refer to the given table which shows the characteristic of 4 animals P, Q, R and S. Characteristics: undergoes molting, young one resembles adult, life cycle has 4 stages. Which of the following could be mosquito and cockroach respectively? Both cockroach and mosquito undergoes molting. Mosquitoes young ones does not resemble its adults, and mosquito has 4 stages in its life cycle while cockroach has 3. So after looking at the answers, we can see the answer is option B. P is mosquito and Q is cockroach. Question number 37. Aarti cut out sheets of the same size from 4 different materials. She arranged them in a straight line as shown. She then made a crescent-shaped hole in the sheet W. She then shone torchlight on setup and saw a bright crescent-shaped patch of light on sheet Y only. Select the option that correctly identifies the materials of which sheet W, X, Y and Z are made up of. Here, sheet X passed all the light. That means X is a clear plastic. It can't be frosted glass, it can't be metals. Option A and C can be our answer. For Y, the shape of moon cannot be clearly made on a frosted glass. So our answer is option C. It is metal only. Answer is option C because she can cut cardboard easily. And W is cardboard, X is clear plastic, Y is metal and Z is frosted glass. Answer is option C. Question number 38. Refer to the given figure representing composition of air. Identify P to S and select the correct statement. Here P is nitrogen because nitrogen is around 78% in our atmosphere. Q is oxygen and R is other gases. Option A, animals get R from plants. No, this is incorrect. B, S in the air is needed for burning. Yes, carbon dioxide does not need it for burning. Option C, presence of P in air reduces the rate of burning. Yes, this option is correct. Answer is option C. Question number 39. Refer to the given figure and identify P, Q and R. Select the option which correctly matches these parts with the given functions 1 to 5. Here P is cerebellum, R is cerebellum and Q is spinal cord. 1. Reasoning, 2. Learning, 3. Control breathing, 4. Balancing, 5th. Control movements. And answer is option D. Question number 40. Refer to the given figure, identify P, Q and R and select the correct statement. Here P is sun and Q is earth and R is moon. So option A, movement of Q around P causes changes in season. Yes, this is correct statement. Statement B, in total lunar eclipse, R is completely masked by the shadow of Q. This is correct. C, in total solar eclipse, R masks P completely. So answer is option D. All of these. Question number 41. Select the method that prevents soil erosion by water. Option A, terrace farming. B, wind breaks. C, embankments. D, both A and C. And the right answer is option D, both A and C. Question number 42. Refer to the given graph representing the proportion of undigested food in different parts of digestive system P to S. Identify the parts and select the correct option regarding them. Option A, P is buccal cavity while S is stomach. B, Q is small intestine while R is esophagus. Option C, S is esophagus while R is small intestine. Option D, P is large intestine while Q is small intestine. And the right answer is option C, S is esophagus while R is small intestine. Question number 43. Refer to the given experimental setup. Which of the following graphs correctly depicts the changes in the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide gas in the air present within glass case over time? Oxygen is this line and carbon dioxide is dotted line. So over time, the carbon dioxide will decrease and the level of oxygen will increase. Answer is option B. Question number 44. The given table shows three solids X, Y and Z which can be dissolved in different liquids P, Q, R and S. Same volume of different liquids P, Q, R, S. Mass of the solid dissolved. If solids Y and Z are accidentally mixed up, which of the following liquids is most suitable to separate them? Looking at this table, we can see that in liquid R, Z Z does not dissolve and Y dissolve completely. That means if we take the liquid R, we can separate them. So answer is option C. Question number 45. If weight of an object is 0.25 kilogram on Earth, then what will be its weight on Moon? Kids, the weight on Moon is around 1 by 6 of the weight of object on Earth. So if we multiply 0.25 by 1 by 6, we get 0.04. So our answer is 0.04 kg, option A. Question number 46. Refer to the given figures representing the movement of joints in our body. Identify the type of joints P to S. Select incorrect statement regarding them. Option A. The hip and shoulder joints are example of P. B. Elbow and knees have R type of joints. Option C. Q types of joints help the backbone to bend easily. Option D. Wrists and ankles have S type of joints while Q is found between the skull and the backbone. And the right answer is option C. This statement is incorrect. Question number 48. Refer to the given figure representing seed dispersal. Select the option which correctly identifies plant X, Y and Z. These are keys. Seeds of plant X, seeds of plant Y, stars, seed of plant Z is square, and this arrow indicates direction of wind. Plant X, parent plant X seeds dispersed nearby the parent plant. So the seeds dispersed by explosion. Seeds of plant Y are dispersed far away from the parent plant. So this is dispersal by wind. And Z's parent plant Z's seed dispersed little far away from the parent plant. So our answer is option D. Balsam and pea dispersed by explosion. Dandelion and heptage dispersed by wind. Xantharium and urena dispersed by animals. The answer is option D. Question number 49. Radha carried out an experiment to find out how fast water can pass through three different types of soil. She set up the experiment as shown below. Using the stopwatch, she measured the time taken for 20 ml of water to pass through each soil. She recorded the result as shown below. Identify soil X, Y and Z and select the correct option regarding them. Option A. Y type of soil usually found in desert. Option B. Potters used X type of soil to make pots. Option C. Soil Z contains nutrients and humus in right proportion to make it suitable for growth of most plants. Option D. All of these. And right answer is option D. All of these. Question number 50. Three similar cages containing same number of pollution sensitive fish X were placed in three different ponds R, S and T. The given graph shows the change in the number of fish in three cages over time. According to the given graph, which pond is most polluted? 1. And which pond has the highest concentration of dissolved oxygen in the water? Looking at the graph, we can see that the number of fishes are decreasing in pond T. That means pond T is most polluted. So our answer is option B because here only T is number 1. Answer is option B. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.